Flying a drone is an exciting and rewarding hobby that allows you to capture stunning aerial photographs and videos. However, before taking to the skies, it's essential to understand the basics of drone operation, safety precautions, and flight techniques. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of learning to fly a drone, from choosing the right drone and familiarizing yourself with its components to mastering essential flight maneuvers and practicing responsible drone etiquette. Getting started. Understanding drones. Learn about the different types of drones, their components, and the key features to consider when choosing a drone. Legal and safety considerations. Familiarize yourself with local regulations, registration requirements, and safety guidelines to ensure responsible and lawful drone operation. Pre-flight checklist. Develop a pre-flight routine, including battery checks, propeller inspection, firmware updates, and calibration procedures. Drone controls and operation. Remote controller overview. Learn about the various buttons, joysticks, and switches on the drone's remote controller and understand their functions. Drone app navigation. Explore the features and settings of the drone's companion app to access flight modes, camera controls, and telemetry data. Basic flight maneuvers. Practice essential flight maneuvers such as takeoff, landing, hovering, ascending, descending, and basic forward and backward movements. Understanding flight modes. Explore different flight modes, including GPS-assisted modes, altitude hold, and return to home, and learn how to utilize them effectively. Mastering flight techniques. Flight environment assessment. Evaluate the surroundings for potential hazards, obstacles, and weather conditions before takeoff. Flying patterns and paths. Learn different flight patterns, such as orbits, spirals, and figure eights, to capture dynamic aerial shots. Camera control and gimbal stabilization. Understand how to adjust camera settings, control the gimbal, and capture stunning aerial photographs and videos. Advanced flight maneuvers. Master more complex flight maneuvers, including yaw, roll, and pitch movements, as well as banking turns and flying in tight spaces. Wind and weather management. Develop strategies to safely fly in different wind conditions and understand how weather can affect drone performance. Safety and responsible flying. Emergency procedures. Familiarize yourself with emergency protocols, such as low battery situations, signal loss, and motor failure. Drone etiquette and privacy. Understand the importance of respecting privacy, flying within legal boundaries, and being considerate of other people and wildlife. Maintenance and inspections. Learn how to clean and maintain your drone, perform routine inspections, and troubleshoot common issues. Insurance and liability. Explore options for drone insurance coverage and understand your liability as a drone operator. Expanding your skills. FPV flying and racing. Discover the world of first-person view, FPV, flying and drone racing, including the necessary equipment and techniques. Aerial photography and videography. Dive deeper into aerial photography and videography techniques, including composition, framing, and editing. Advanced flight modes and features. Explore advanced flight modes, such as follow me, waypoint navigation, and subject tracking, to enhance your flying experience. Conclusion. Learning to fly a drone is an exciting journey that requires patience, practice, and a commitment to safety. By following this comprehensive guide, you'll gain the necessary knowledge and skills to operate a drone responsibly and capture breathtaking aerial visuals. Remember to always stay updated